drowning in emails, and desperate for an easier way to extract the information you need. Let me show you how to automate your email data extraction with the Vapi AI agent today. We'll turn information overload into streamlined efficiency. Step 1. Connect your email account. Select the Connect to Email option within the Vapi AI agent interface and follow the prompts to grant access. Next, select the email containing the data you want to extract. It could be anything: order confirmations, appointment details, or even reports. The system supports all common email formats. Now to customize. You'll tell the AI agent what to get from your emails. You can define specific fields like order numbers, dates, or even free text. The more detailed your specifications, the cleaner the results. After setting up your extraction parameters, let the AI agent do its work. The system will analyze the selected email and find the information you specified. Finally, the AI agent presents the extracted data. This can be as simple as a tidy spreadsheet or integrated directly into your other workflows. Your valuable information, perfectly organized, ready to use. Now, you are ready to automatically retrieve and process essential data from emails, making the best use of your time.